Hi guys, so today I have with me here a black wallet from Guess. This is just what it looks like. It's like a little gold embellishment. And then on the back, it just has like an extra little pocket there. And you can literally put so many things in there. And then on the inside, it just has like a bunch more little pockets. And you can like hold everything in there. I did take my stuff out of here because, you know, I didn't want to like keep it in there and stuff for the purpose of this video. But I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about it. So I don't know if you could see me moving the wallet with my hand, but it's a decent sized wallet. You can kind of carry it. It's like it would be like a mini like clutch purse, like kind of around that type of size. I would say that's a good description, like a mini sized clutch purse, but it's like a more of a wallet thing. But yeah, I just like the cute little black color. I think black literally goes with everything. If somebody says black does not go with everything, they're lying. But yeah, I literally carry this wallet around with me everywhere, mostly because I am an adult and I have business to take care of, and this is where all of my business is held pretty much. I know a lot of people carry wallets around to help them get through their daily tasks, and that is exactly what I carry this wallet around for. I have so many things in here, like my driver's license, my state ID, debit card, cash, like all of those things I carry in here on a daily basis, and I usually use 80 to 90% of it. But yeah, so I actually got this from a friend for my birthday, and it actually came with another wallet like inside of it, and I was like, whoa, I was like, that's crazy. I was like, what wallet comes with two wallets? I was like in shock. I was so confused. I was like, two wallets, okay, but the other one is like half of this size maybe. So like if you cut it down the middle where it says the Guess, it doesn't have like a little flap open like this one does, but it does like zip open and close, and then it has like pockets on the front and the back and on the inside and stuff too. So but yeah, I like this one just because it kind of like shields everything that's inside your wallet instead of letting it show, versus the other one that came inside of it. It has like the little front part of it showing. So I like this one because it like has the little button there and that clamps there, and it's just good to like, you know, click open and close whenever you need something, but like it shields all of the things that are in there. So like if it fell on the ground or something, all of the cards or cash or whatever you have in there wouldn't come like falling out unless you put it in this little back pocket here. But yeah, I just like it for that because I have been known to drop my wallet so many times, or accidentally throw my wallet because I'm playing around with it or something of that sort, and all of my cards come spilling out, and then people are like, oh, would you like some help picking that up? And then you know how it goes, embarrassing photos and important information that you don't want people to see, and now they're getting all of that because your wallet information is on the floor and you just got to pick it all up, and it's just a mess. So that's what I like about this wallet, is that it's so like enclosed, and you can close it and make sure everything in there is gonna stay secure, and I just like that a lot. Another thing that I like about this wallet is that the pockets that are on the inside, it helps you stay very organized. So like in the first few pockets, I kind of like keep more of the cards that I use more often. So like my debit card, and like a lot of people ask for like proof of like license or like some sort of ID that they can identify you as, and so I usually keep those more towards my front pockets, and then everything else kind of follows back, like school ID and the whole 9 yards and stuff like that. So I just like how it helps keep me very organized. And then I do, like I said, I keep cash in my wallet, and obviously there's change and stuff in there, and I've literally shaken this wallet, thrown this wallet, beat this wallet. It looks pretty nice for me getting it for my birthday. I got this wallet like last semester, and it's literally the summertime, so. But I got this wallet and I put like cash in there and like change in there, and I shake it and the change stays in place. Like, I mean, it doesn't like stay in place, but it like doesn't come out of the wallet. And I like that because I drop so much change, and I love to use change, especially when I have cash, because then you're not wasting a whole dollar bill if you got change, you know what I mean? But yeah, I was so grateful for this gift. I was like astounded. I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. And I was just so surprised that it came with a second wallet. And she said it wasn't that expensive. And I was looking at some prices because she only gave me like the gift receipt, so it didn't come with the price. So if I wanted to return it, like I couldn't know the price of it. But I liked it, so I didn't return it. And I was just so happy about getting the wallet. And she said it was a pretty decent price for getting 2 wallets and like a name brand wallet at that. So I was just very happy to get this from her, and this is probably one of the best gifts I've gotten, because I needed a new wallet at the time. So yeah, but I know on Amazon this does come with like different kinds of this wallet. Like it comes in like a longer one. I think it comes in a smaller one, or this might be the smallest one, but I know it does come in like different sizes. I don't know if it comes in different colors. I didn't check that far, but I know this comes in different sizes. So again, this is just a black guest wallet that I got from my friend on my birthday.